If you walk while playing golf, which comes to around 5 miles over 18 holes, you need the best possible golf shoes out there that will be comfortable, light, and breathable. We have zeroed down on 3 awesome pairs of golf shoes ideal for walking. Keep watching till the end to discover the pair that will transform your game. Ranked 3rd among top golf shoes, the Under Armour UA Drive Pro golf shoes are engineered to boost your performance on the course. These shoes incorporate advanced biomechanics and have been rigorously tested in labs to ensure they provide the necessary traction and support. This design is crucial for enhancing the power of your natural golf swing. The UA Swing Support System integrates smarter traction, dual foam cushioning, and secure lockdown lacing, offering superior support and stability. The shoes include energy-returning UA hover foam and supportive charge cushioning, which work together to guide the natural movement of your foot during a swing. The new UA S3 spikes, developed with input from soft spikes and a golf biomechanist, provide exceptional directional traction, ensuring you maintain a strong grip and control. The outsole's strategic flex grooves, secondary traction elements, and TPU reinforcement on the sides offer additional support, particularly during impact. The updated fit of these shoes provides more space at the ball of the foot, enhancing comfort and stability. A molded sock liner adds to the overall comfort, while the engineered microfiber upper is both breathable and supportive. For protection against the elements, the shoes are equipped with a full waterproof membrane and come with a 1-year warranty. The Under Armour UA Drive Pro golf shoes blend cutting-edge technology with comfort and durability, making them an excellent choice for golfers aiming to elevate their game. The Payntr X 300F golf shoes are ranked number 2 for their advanced design and performance features. These shoes feature a Clarino microfiber upper that provides lightweight support and flexibility, while the microfiber tongue offers an additional barrier against the elements. They also incorporate a never-wet superhydrophobic solution, ensuring non-wicking and water-resistant protection. The shoes are designed with performance-enhancing traction, which is biomechanically engineered to resist rotation, support the golfer, and enhance power. This design allows golfers to effectively leverage ground forces, control movement, and maximize speed at impact. The TPU propulsion plate is a key feature, enabling golfers to harness vertical ground reaction forces more effectively, resulting in greater speed when hitting the ball. The TPU outsole includes traction elements that prevent rotational slippage and enhance walking comfort. The Payntr X 300F golf shoes also offer responsive cushioning through the PMX foam midsole, which provides maximum energy return and underfoot support. The Ortholite footbed is designed to compress less than 5%, ensuring that the cushioning, fit, and comfort remain consistent over time. These features make the Payntr X 300F golf shoes an excellent choice for golfers looking for a high-performance, comfortable, and durable option. Finally, we come to the Ecco Biom C4 shoes that we have ranked number 1, primarily for their combination of comfort, performance, and style. These shoes offer a breathable and comfortable experience, thanks to Ecco Performance leather from their own tanneries and a super stretchy mesh sock. They are equipped with Ecco Fluid Form Direct Comfort technology, which provides cushioning, rebound, and flexibility. For added comfort and durability, the shoes feature Gore-Tex surround construction, ensuring 360-degree breathability and 100% waterproofing. This is complemented by the exhaust lid, which promotes air ventilation towards the sole of the foot. The Biom Natural Motion technology brings the wearer closer to the ground, enhancing stability and control. The shoe's hybrid design includes the progressive Ecco MT End Grip outsole, which has 3 sections providing traction, stability, and rotational support during a golf swing. Additionally, the Bowl Fit system offers a micro-adjustable precision fit, making these shoes adaptable to any conditions. With their contemporary sneaker-style aesthetic, the Ecco Biom C4 shoes seamlessly blend innovative performance features with modern design, making them an excellent choice for golfers seeking top-quality footwear. That brings us to the end of this video on the best golf shoes for walking in 2024. We hope you like these carefully selected options. Do like, share, and subscribe to get more from Up on Top. And also, do leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.